Right? So we are going to do this Muqaddama. And before we do this Muqaddama, we need to learn what is this. Is this a Muqaddama or Muqaddima? Those of you who have done a little bit of Arabic, they would know that these fathas and kasras, they make a difference. And that is going to spur you how you're going to tackle the treatise that you are about to take. Muqaddama is a maf'ul, right? So that would mean whatever is being presented to you, that is what you should achieve by the end of the book. Muqaddama, right? Objective, goal. Okay, so if we are going to understand that this is the Muqaddama of Imam Nawawi, we need to know that whatever he mentions in there, he wants us to come to that conclusion by the end of this course. And if we are going to say it is Muqaddima with a kasra on the dal, then it would mean that whatever Imam Nawawi is writing is actually a forward. It's what's going to motivate you towards this book. Right? So he's going to give you, it's like we tell our children, you know, you should be clean, you should be hygienic, you should worry about your tahara and everything. After that, all Muqaddima, what do? You teach him what the tahara is. So now, if you look at it from that perspective, whatever Imam Nawawi says, that is going to be, he's going to tell you like, oh, these are the things you should be keeping in mind when you are going to start reading these ahadith. And when you are going to keep them in mind, more lessons are going to open up in your brain. Allah will open your heart and Allah will bring those lessons. Sometimes some lessons may come into the hearts of students that has never come into the hearts of the teacher. Which is why these divine and ilhami ulum and discussions are excellent, because this is on the weight of the person's sincerity with his Rabb, with his Allah. The same hadith I might be reading, but because of the sins that are entrenched into my heart, I may not be able to decipher many things. I may read black and white shuruhat, like explanations of other mashayikh and everything, and still I may not remember when I'm speaking. But a person, sincere talib ilm, he is sitting, he is listening to the same things, and suddenly Allah opens up his heart and he starts to realize, oh, look at this. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam has used this word. And here he is making a movement like this. It means something, right? So that increases in your own iman and in your own understanding of the hadith.